Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. The gift of kindness. It was Christmas Eve in a small town. Emma, a young girl, was excited to celebrate with her family. However, her neighbor, Mr. Jenkins, was not feeling festive. He had lost his wife a few months ago and was struggling to find joy in the holiday season. Emma decided to take matters into her own hands. She baked some Christmas cookies and visited Mr. Jenkins with her family. They sang carols, shared stories, and brought some warmth to his home. Mr. Jenkins was touched by their kindness. For the first time since his wife passing, he felt a sense of belonging and joy. Emma's family had given him the greatest gift of all, the gift of kindness. As they left, Emma's mom asked, "What's the true meaning of Christmas?" Emma replied, "It's not just about presents, but about spreading love and kindness." Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.